Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to fix your PayPal account that has been or you have the problem like this. You see here, right? This issue or this problem, submit info to access your funds. To continue having access to your funds, you'll need to submit the info we have requested. This is the PayPal account that I have been created for my customer here, and then it has been some problem like this. Submit info. So that in this video I would like to show you how to fix this problem. Right now let's go to this option here, submit info to access your funds. Click the option together just a little bit. Here, right, we need some information from you. Now scroll up to check more information or direction that you need to do here. This problem that you need to do is to upload a photo ID. Now click the option result. Here, right, let's go to the option document type here. In here, there are 3 types of document that you can use to fix this problem. The first document, it is about your passport. If you created your PayPal account with your passport, you can use your own passport. If you created your PayPal account with your driver license, so that you need to use your own driver license. If you created or if you have been created your PayPal account with national identity card, so that you need to choose the option national identity card. So that this account that I have been created or I have created for my customer, I use his national identity card, so that I need to choose the option national identity card. And then let's go to the option add a file. Here, right, there are many types of file that you can use or you can add. JPG, GIF, PNG, PDF, and the size is 5 MB each. So that you need to follow up this step. If you upload a PNG, you need to be sure that your PNG photo is clear information. Right now let's go to the option add a file. You can choose the file from your photo library, take photo, choose file option, or from your Google Drive. But I would like to choose my file from my photo library, so that I need to click the option photo library. Yes, this is the front size of the national ID, so that I need to add more national identity, the back side. I need to click the option add a file again. Go to photo library. There are 2 sizes here. The first one, I add the front size of the national identity, and the second photo is that it is about the backside national identity. This is my customer ID. After that, scroll up and then click the option submit. You see, right, your information has been submitted. Let's go to the option go to account limitations. Upload a photo ID has been submitted. Right now go back to your account, go to 3 line here, go home, refresh a little bit. Has been fixed. It has been fixed. Wow, nice, it has been fixed. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.